an ongoing effort to streamline our tax process, we are excited to offer a new online platform called TaxCaddy that is designed to make the process of gathering your tax documents and sharing them with us a breeze. Setting up your account is quick and easy. This video will show you step by step how it works. You should have received an invite from TaxCaddy to your email address. Once you open the invite, scroll to the bottom and click the green Get Started button. This will load the Social Security number authentication screen. Simply type the last 4 digits of your Social Security number and click Continue. For the next step, you will add your 10-digit mobile phone number to which you are ready to receive a 6-digit verification code and click Continue. You will then need to enter the 6-digit verification code that you received on your mobile device via text. Agree to the terms of use by checking the box and then click Continue. This will load the TaxCaddy dashboard. The first step once you have successfully been granted access to the dashboard is very important. You will need to click the Set Up Account Password button near the top right of your screen. Your password must be 8 or more characters with no spaces and must include both an uppercase and lowercase letter, a number, and a symbol. Once you have lit up all password requirements, select Set Up Password. This will prompt you to enter another 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile phone via text. Once entered, click Continue. You will then be returned to the login screen, where you will enter your email address, your newly created password, and then click Sign In. You will once again be directed to enter a 6-digit verification code sent to your mobile device. You will then be asked to choose your default tax year. We recommend choosing the first option, the current processing year, and then click Continue. Finally, you will be brought back to the TaxCaddy dashboard on the Overview page, where you can find your actionable items under the menu to the left of the screen. Should you need help with the actionable items, check out our website at taylorcpas.net/tax-caddy or give us a call at 410-823-5442, and we would be happy to help.